Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first unit of microcontrollers and programming. I'm Associate Professor Dr. Dursun Akaslan and I'm working in the Department of Computer Engineering in Harlan University, which is located at the south of Turkey. Let's begin. What is micro? The word micro is originated in French and has passed to Turkish language with the pronunciation of the word micro in Turkish. The Turkish synonym of the word micro is generally suggested as small, little, and narrow. Moreover, according to the Cambridge Dictionary Online, which is published online, the word micro is used in many technologies to mean one in a million as a prefix in the sense of very small. Microtechnologies. There are two types of microtechnologies which is very common in our daily life. First one, microscope, and second one is microwave. A microscope is a very common device which is used in chemistry and in medicine to zoom the virus. Moreover, microwave is also a very common technology in our homes to heat the foods and bread and something, etc. For us, the word micro is important because it is used as a prefix for the processors. There are two types of processors which is related to micro technologies. First one is microprocessors and second one is microcontrollers. First of all, let's try to understand the meaning of microprocessor. Microprocessor is very common and used in many computers, tablets, and smartphones because it is a circuit that performs all arithmetic and logic operations in a computer system. And additionally, it also controls the operations performed in the computer. But in technique, the microprocessor is called the central processing unit and it is also placed on a single semiconductor integrated circuit. Nowadays, we call it central processing unit. What about microprocessor systems? First of all, we should understand it is not possible for a microprocessor to control a system alone. For this reason, it needs extra elements to perform the function of microprocessors, including input units, output units, and memory. What about microcontroller? The microcontroller covers all the input, output, memory, and microprocessor unit to perform the function of the microprocessor and placed in a single integrated circuit. That means microcontrollers include a microprocessor. In addition, also includes input, output, and memory units. You can imagine a microcontroller as a computer case without monitor and keyboard and mouse. That means you have a computer case as a microcontroller. Microcontroller systems, we can give some examples. Television, washing machine, and vehicles, cars. But nowadays, these systems are becoming more intelligent, and microcontroller discrete or microcontrollers is not sufficient anymore. Therefore, nowadays we see microprocessors in washing machine, in television, and cars. We can extend the number of examples for the microprocessing technologies. In summary, microprocessors are used for general computers. On the other hand, specific computers for microcontrollers. That means, for example, if you are doing something in specific, microcontroller is enough. But if you're running many applications in your system, that means you need a microprocessor because the speed of microprocessor is so high. However, the speed of microcontroller is small, but still high for the human. If you want to work with microcontrollers, you have to follow 4 stages. First, you must write programs in assembly language. Second, you have to combine programs with MPLAB compiler. And then, in the third stage, you have to upload program on microcontroller system. In the final step, you have to run the program by simulating or by uploading the program in real circuit. However, in this course, we will run all the programs we develop by simulation. What we need for this course? The first application we need MPLAB. MPLAB program is a software that combines the programs we write in assembly language and then converts them into hexadecimal codes. You can see the first column is codes written in assembly language, and the second column is hexadecimal codes, that means machine language. How can you obtain the MPLAB? You should visit www.microchip.com and then follow the menus, and you should download MPLAB version 8.92. We will use the final version in 8-bit. The second software we need in this course is called Proteus. Proteus is a program that allows us to simulate the assembly programs we wrote and compile with MPLAB before trying them with real circuit elements. That means this is our first step to run the programs by simulation. Thanks for watching. See you on the next lecture.